Want to close more deals and grow faster? Let's set up a scalable sales pipeline in Salesforce that keep your business running smoothly. Start by mapping out your pipeline stages in Salesforce: prospecting, qualifications, demo, proposal, negotiation, and closed. Keep them simple and aligned with your actual process. Add custom fields to capture important deal info like budget, decision makers, and timeline. This makes it easy to filter and prioritize opportunities as you scale. Use Salesforce Flow to automate tasks like creating follow-up reminders when a deal moves stages, or sending proposals email automatically. Enable Salesforce Einstein to score leads and highlight the ones most likely to close. This helps your reps focus only on the high-value deals. Finally, build dashboards to track conversion rates, pipeline velocity, and revenue forecasts. This gives you real-time insights to adjust and grow. And that's how you set up a scalable sales pipeline in Salesforce. Streamlined, automated, and built to grow with you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.